Hey guys, I'm Arjan Burness. I am very excited to be part of the Realty Partners team. I'm in Orlando. I have a very quick tip for you. It's a very basic tip, but it's really a great tip actually. We're getting a lot of leads in through Sync. I'm not sure if you guys are signed up for the lead program. Gotta do it, it's awesome. Get a lot of leads in. Now how do you follow up with that? What you do, when a lead comes in, for the first 3 days, you call them 3 times a day. Okay, for 3 days. Call different times, one in the morning, one in the afternoon, one at night, for 3 days. Then the next 3 weeks, you call 3 times a week. Then for the next 3 months, you call them 3 times a month. Now that pretty much assures you will get a hold of them. If you don't get a hold of them, they're either dead or whatever. Use your drip campaigns on them too, but I will create a video in the next few weeks, send it to Joe to train you on how to do this and how to create smart lists in Sync. So I have it set up right here, for instance. These leads are automatically, the fresh ones 3 times a day, then 3 times a week, 3 times a month. So it automatically filters exactly who to call. It's a great system and it will assure you get a hold of them and follow up appropriately. That's pretty much my tip. And you will hear from me by a training video in the next few weeks. Okay? Cool. Look forward to working with everybody.